Hey everybody, it's Gary the Google Guy here with a new update for Google Calendar / Google Docs. So what's really cool is a brand new feature that has been added to your building blocks. And that is similar to what maybe you've used before, which is the email draft template. Well, you will now have a calendar draft template. So you can collaborate on creating a calendar event with a coworker or two and get that thing figured out from this Google Doc on the fly. So let's look at what it is. Top left, we're going to go to our insert menu. We're going to go down to building blocks. And then in the top portion of the menu, you'll see calendar event draft. From there, you will be able to use your @ symbol as well if you wanted to, just as an FYI. But from here, we can add our event title, the guests, and do all this with those smart chips if you want. And then once we have completed the calendar event piece that we want to add information from, we can click on that calendar icon in the upper left of it, preview it in calendar. In other words, it will create the event as an invite. And then from there, if all is good, you send the invite off and away you go. So just wanted to give you the heads up that this is now active and available. Once again, that's under the insert menu, building blocks, calendar draft. And then from there, you can fill out all of this information of the title, who the guests are, start and end time, location, and maybe even an agenda or description of your event. You're complete with that. Click on that calendar icon and it will take you into calendar to finish things off. So with that, until we meet again, another day, another time, another update, this is Gary the Google Guy signing off.